everyone, I hope you all are doing amazingly well. If you are new here, my name is Pardata and welcome to my channel. Have you ever wondered why some ladies always look so put together even in the simplest of their outfits? In today's video, I am going to talk about 10 different things that you can incorporate in your lifestyle to take your personal style from here to here. Also, without burning a hole in your pocket. So we are talking leveling up on a budget. Style is something personal, but fashion can keep coming and going. Feel free to use the video as a reference. So without giving much yarn, let's keep the video rolling. Well, the first one is taking good care of your skin. Well, this is the canvas at the end of the day, right? And skin is the largest organ in our body. So I'm not just talking about the facial skin. It's the entire body that we need to take care of, from both inside as well as outside. Well, for outward lift, you know the drill. I'm sure we all follow it partially. The CTM routine, cleansing, toning, and moisturizing. Nowadays, there are so many things available in the market. There are so many serums, anti-aging creams, and other skin treatments available. If you have the means, definitely go ahead and invest in those if you want to try it out. It's really not that complicated. I mean, even if you don't want to invest that much of money in buying such expensive product, a simple CTM routine also can make a great deal of difference in the skin, done religiously twice. Also, never forget the sunscreen. It has to be applied religiously every day to prevent your skin from aging. Consistency is the key that can make all the difference. Your skin won't transform only with the topical application of products. You also need to give good food, lots of water to your system. That will ensure elasticity in the skin, will improve the texture over time and whatnot. Workout is equally important for a glowing, healthy looking skin. To include some form of workout, could be yoga, functional training, even walking, swimming, whatever. Regular workouts not only just help in preventing aging but also improves the skin elasticity and gives that toned appearance to the skin. Second tip is keep your hair well tamed. It's no rocket science really. Fluffy hair makes us look dull and depressed. Keeping the hair in proper shape in a well-groomed state is possible through enough hydration or locking in enough moisture in the hair. Condition your hair regularly using a hair mask or a conditioner to keep the moisture locked in. Trim your hair regularly. Use a muslin cloth or a satin cloth to tie your hair in a loose bun while sleeping to avoid the friction on the hair stand. So these are the basic things that you can keep in mind. Tame your frizz and to keep your hair in proper shape. Third, and a very important thing, is combat body odor. It's not just the odor from underarms. For those who regularly face this concern, while showering, you can pat that underarm area with glycolic acid or apple cider vinegar to fight the bacteria that actually generates the odor. And you can also carry a roll-on. Roll-ons are not really that expensive. The Nivea roll-on standard, you can carry it all the time along with you and can reapply again and again. To prevent your clothes from getting stained, use cotton pads in your underarm area. Well, talking about the dental odor, bad breath is also a major turn off. It affects the people who are talking to you, who are around you. It can be due to dental concerns. For that, you should definitely go and visit a dentist. The second kind of bad breath, it happens when you are not drinking water properly or you are drinking too much of coffee or tea. That sometimes leads to bad breath. I would suggest that always keep yourself hydrated, drink lots of water, keep mints, cloves or cardamom, wear structured and well-fitted clothes. I cannot emphasize the fact that ill-fitted clothes will actually take your entire confidence to ground zero. It's not mandatory to always go for expensive brands or designer labels to look and feel good in them. You can also buy your clothes from anywhere, wherever you want, in whatever range. And if it doesn't fit properly, get it altered or fitted from a tailor, and that will just look fabulous. Always keep your nails groomed. Nails are something that are always getting overshadowed by other aspects of grooming. However, chipped nails, bitten nails or dirty nails can always lead to a very bad first impression if you are meeting someone in person. Well, maintaining nails is actually not a big task. It doesn't need that much of time, not much effort. Trim your nails at regular intervals and keep your cuticles hydrated to avoid the bacterial growth. So in my case, what I do is I prefer very short nails. I also don't apply nail paint as such, but if you fancy, you can definitely go all out and can apply colorful nail polishes or even go for nail arts, extensions and whatnot. I usually like French tips because they look very professional, very sophisticated, and add a touch of elegance to your overall look. Sixth, and one of the most important thing, is improving your posture. Some of us have an unconscious habit of slouching whenever we walk, whenever we sit. This is one of the things that actually takes effort, and it only comes with practice. Posture is something that can actually make or break your look. Even if you are wearing something very expensive, classy, it can pull down your entire look down. Yoga, Pilates and stretching can definitely help. Having an ergonomic work setup can also be of aid, because we most of the times work for almost 10 to 12 hours. It's not 9 to 5, by the way. In a work from home hybrid setup, sitting comfortably upright is very essential. Another thing that you can do is sleeping on your back or sideways. That can definitely help. You can also go for expert advice and opinion or workshops to correct your posture. 7. Invest in good quality undergarments. No matter what you wear on the outside, never compromise on the quality of the undergarments you are wearing inside. Indian mindset is always inclined towards buying fancy items as an outerwear. Undergarments are something that provides us comfort and support throughout our day. Also provides a very smooth silhouette for our clothes. Can go for natural fabric like cotton, linen, bamboo. For athleisure, go for quick dry fits. One important thing here is know your size before buying undergarments. Try to buy seamless and comfortable, good fitted undergarments to avoid the appearance of fine lines over your garment. 8 is accessorize. I am not talking about the heavy jewelry, those bold jhumkas or those big necklaces. I am talking about those minimal daily wear pieces that can uplift your overall look and can always make you look put together and chic. Try to opt for those dainty pieces, rings, chains, earrings that can uplift your overall persona and can make you look elegant. You can choose the metal based on your skin tone. It could be gold, silver, platinum, whatever. For warmer skin tones, usually people go for gold. For the Western people, they usually go for platinum, diamond or silver because that looks better on them. But yeah, at the end of the day, girl, you do you. Whatever jewelry you like, you invest in that and flaunt it. You don't have to purchase expensive jewelry only. The dainty jewelry pieces can be available at very economical prices in brands such as H&M, Myntra. Purchase those which are tarnish free and can put them to regularly. 9th, mental rejuvenation is something that we all need to practice every day to keep that focus, to improve our mental agility and to reduce stress. How do we achieve this? Everyone talks a lot about meditation. I would suggest that start off with 5 minutes every day on a regular basis and slowly keep on increasing your time. What I do is I usually journal. Try journaling your vision, your achievements in life, what you feel good about yourself. Spare 30 minutes in your regular day routine to get indulged in something, in any kind of activity that you really enjoy. Lastly, build a capsule wardrobe. Instead of wasting your money in buying things that you would occasionally wear, try to invest in quality pieces and put together a capsule wardrobe. Identify few basic pieces, the kind of colors that you usually like wearing, that suits you, suits your complexion, the kind of fits that flatters your body type, shape, and the footwear that you feel comfortable in. Choose quality over quantity to declutter your life and space in the long run. Now that we have come to the end of this video, guys, let me know how you like the video. We all want to transform our lives and be a more refined version of ourselves, but remember to take one step at a time and be persistent. Guys, I also probably have to check a few things off the checklist, so let's work on ourselves as well as together in order to get to a better state. Thanks for watching. Show some love by liking, sharing and subscribing to the channel. Well, see you in the next video. Thanks guys.